The first step to getting rich with inflation is to invest in real assets. Real assets such as real estate, precious metals, and commodities tend to rise in value along with inflation. By acquiring these tangible assets, you can protect your wealth and even see it grow over time. Next, it's crucial to invest in stocks. Historically, stocks have outperformed inflation over the long term. Look for companies with a solid track record, strong fundamentals, and a history of consistent growth. By investing in stocks, you can take advantage of the rising prices that come with inflation and potentially build substantial wealth. Now let's talk about bonds. Although inflation erodes the purchasing power of fixed-income investments like bonds, there are ways to navigate this challenge. Consider investing in inflation-protected securities, such as Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. These bonds adjust their value based on changes in inflation, helping to preserve your purchasing power. Diversification is a key strategy to counter the effects of inflation. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and regions. This way, you'll have a balanced portfolio that can withstand inflationary pressures. Diversification helps mitigate risk and ensures that you can still grow your wealth, even during periods of rising prices. Another strategy to consider is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks not only provide potential price appreciation, but also generate regular income in the form of dividends. As companies raise their prices and profits due to inflation, they may increase their dividends, providing you with a reliable income stream. Taking advantage of tax-efficient investments is also crucial. Look for tax-advantaged accounts like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401(k)s. By maximizing your contributions to these accounts, you can enjoy tax benefits and potentially grow your wealth more effectively in the face of inflation. Now let's not forget about the power of entrepreneurship. Inflation can create opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive. Identify areas where consumer demand is likely to increase due to inflationary pressures and start a business that caters to those needs. By providing valuable products or services, you can not only withstand inflation but also build a successful and profitable venture. Lastly, it's essential to stay informed and adapt your strategies. Keep up with economic trends. Stay updated on inflation data and adjust your investments accordingly. Inflation is not a static force, and its impact can vary over time. By staying knowledgeable and flexible, you can make informed decisions and maximize your wealth-building potential.